Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set up high contrast shortcut button in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our high contrast shortcut functions and how to set it up. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, then visibility enhancements, and here we have our high contrast fonts. So in here we have high contrast fonts shortcut. If we enable this option, we can slightly see a difference at the main screen, but we are interested in shortcut. So we have a few shortcut options available. We can add our shortcut to accessibility button at the top right, at the bottom right corner of our screen, or we can have our buttons shortcuts. We will be using our accessibility button. So here, as you can see, using this shortcut, our option will change. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.